when this guy here will be like the yellow in this side. I can fit whatever I want. As I throw complexity, as we throw complexity in the guys on the right, we start being able to there are so many ways of instantiating M hat that everything can go here in this yellow version of the world or green version. It's too underdetermined. The gap between this, I'm using colors, but the observation, intervention, and the counterfactual distribution. Same question here for Day3. Now, what is our goal? Our general goal is to develop these more general AI systems and down to the following capabilities. I will go back to the first picture about the issues that are open. One is have some level of causal understanding and be able to articulate explanations. The second type of capability we like to be more efficient and precise in terms of decision making. Will be to be more generalizable and robust in terms of the inferences, not break so easily. We would like to be able to do interventional, would be a better word here, interventional and counterfactual type of generation. And eventually we would like to be able to learn something about the world by itself, do some type of model learning and discovery. I'll talk a little bit about each one of them. I just mentioned each part here is each of these capabilities are part of the book. Maybe it's, depending on the part, it's 100, 200 pages about each one of them, and we're trying to be systematic about that and understanding. I said what these problems have in common. They have in common that they have a lack of some type of causal understanding, and this is why I'll follow this order. This is an example, a concrete example from the US Census in 18. You check there, a lot of details here. Sometimes I give a 3-hour tutorial on the fairness thing. I'll just talk briefly. Fairness.causal AI. Situation that we have, maybe a team of data science observed that the total variation, the TV, expected value of salary, that is Y here, between males and females, there is some disparity there. I think in this case it's $14K. Now the question is like, why this is happening, right? Can you explain why you have this gap of 14K? And there are different mechanisms, different causal mechanisms that could be bringing about this particular disparity in the data. The first one could be directly the salary decision is based on the gender. Gender is this is called the protected attribute gender. Could be gender, could be religion, and things like that, that we're supposedly not allowed to use mostly in the US and Europe, in Brazil, I believe as well. But now, the first possible mechanism that may be generating the disparity is the gender affects salary directly. The person sees what is the gender and then decides, I will put the salary lower to this person. This is the cause that the disparity is there in the data. A second possibility in this case is that maybe gender is affecting